Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install the HP LaserJet P1005 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear in this window before we proceed, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. So I'll be attaching a link at the description box below, so please copy it. Okay, and the moment you have copied it, please proceed at the Windows search bar and press Ctrl V in the keyboard so that you would be able to paste the link that I'm attaching there. So once you have pasted that, click on enter so that you would be redirected to the result. Now, once you are being redirected to this HP LaserJet P1005 printer driver, all you need to do is you need to select your software at the drivers below. So simply scroll down and from here, click this down arrow. Okay, and you would be able to see the basic drivers. The next thing that you need to do is you need to click on it and it will show you the basic drivers under which is the HP LaserJet 1005. And from here, you would be able to see a download option aligning to it. Click on it so that you can now start on downloading. So the moment you do that, it will eventually start the downloading process. All you need to do is you need to click on this download icon at the upper right side of the screen. Click on it. And the moment you click on it, you would be able to see this one. Click this folder icon so that you would be able to be navigated to the location where it is being placed or saved to. The next thing that you need to do is you need to click this cut icon, close the window as well as this browser, and please proceed to the desktop. So here at the desktop, please do a right click and go with this paste icon. Once you have pasted it, please do a right click. Okay. And from here, you need to scroll down, okay? And we need to unzip the file. So all you need to do is you need to click on it, go with extract. And once you have click on it, you just have to wait until an extracted file would appear here in the desktop. Now, once it's here, the next thing that you need to do is you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for settings. You can also press Windows and I key together in the keyboard, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here at the best match, click on open. And once you are being redirected to the settings window, please navigate to the left side of that where you can see there are Bluetooth and devices. So click on it, and under the Bluetooth and devices, you need to scroll down and go with devices. Tap on it once again and scroll down and locate for related settings. Afterwards, you would be able to see this option called more devices and printer settings. Just tap on it so that you would be able to bring up a new window which is called devices and printers. So it will show you the devices, and that includes the printers that you have installed here in your Windows PC or laptop. The next thing that you need to do is you need to proceed at the upper side of that. You can see there add a printer. Click on it. The moment you do that, this new window would show up. Here, please proceed at the option at the bottom below. The printer that I want isn't listed. So click on it, and the moment you do that, select this add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. And from here, it will ask you to use an existing port. Click this down arrow. Okay, and if you have the HP port, you can select that. Okay, so either choose port prompt local port or this one, USB 001. So click on it and click on next, and this will show up. Go with have disk, and from here, click on browse. And since our driver is being placed at the desktop, proceed with our desktop. Scroll down and proceed with this one. So double tap to it and it will show you your driver. Double tap once again, it will be added here. The next thing that you need to do is you need to click on OK, and it will show you here. The next thing that you need to do is you need to select for HP 1005. So it will show you 1006, 1007, 1008. So just have to click on next. Okay, and it will show you here. Click on next once again, and it will now start on the installation of this printer driver. So we just wait until it will be installed. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply click on yes so that you can proceed on the installation process. So we just have to wait for a while until this installation would be finished, okay? Now once done, click on next. And if you'd like to set it as your default printer, now you can check the box. In my case, I'll just leave it unchecked. Click on finished. And in that way, you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P1005 in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So from that, you can now close the window as well as this, and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.